Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here we are doing a video on the Fogatti shower for overlanding. It's a propane shower. It heats up water very well. I was thoroughly impressed. I saw these guys at Expo. I included it in my Expo video. Asked if they'd send a sample out. They did. So they did send it out for free, but I will give you my honest opinions. So we'll test it out. I'll take a real shower with it. Let's get right into it. So starting on the exterior, this is just the GO model, not the Pro model. So this is like 19,000 BTUs. Runs off propane. They say that it could do like, I believe it was like 30 showers or something with just a 1 gallon propane tank. So that's pretty cool. I might be getting that number wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what I read. And then on the outside, it's relatively small. I mean, there's my hand. This does not have a tank on it. So that's why I have something like this where you just drop the filter. We'll get into that in a second. An LED screen pops up. You can see battery temp. You can see how warm the water is. And then down here we have just a couple intakes. This red one right here is for the charging cable. This right here is for the pump. This is the water for the pump. And I believe this is for the shower. On the top of it, you got two pretty good handles to carry it around. It's really not that heavy. It's really easy portable. And it is pretty thin. One thing they do send you is this magnetic shower head holder. Kind of just sticks to the side of the shower. You can just stick your head in there if you wanted to do that. Now here is the cigarette lighter charger. I didn't bring the wall outlet one because I used it to charge this and left it at home, but it's basically the same exact thing, but just a wall outlet right here. And then over here, here are the different tubes. Here is the tube for the shower head. We have a pretty cool shower head here. There's a couple different modes you can put it in. It just clicks in. This is where you turn it on and off. These buttons right here, you push it in, push it out. And then back here, it has a hook. So you can just hook it wherever you need, like, you know, on the side of your privacy shelter. And then over here, we have the actual pump itself. It comes with the cord, obviously, to connect so it powers the pump. So yeah, you just plug it in with this like that. And then on the pump itself, it actually has like a filter right here. So they say that you can like throw this in a lake or whatever and use it that way. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I'd recommend using the best water you can so you just don't clog stuff up, but they do have that just in case. Now to plug it in, it's pretty simple for all these tubes. It's just like one of those pull down locking mechanisms. So you just kind of push on there and pull down and lock it in. Boom, she's in. And then for this, you just plug it right under there and, well, almost got it. And boom, now the pump can be powered. All right, so I ran the pump into my water source right here. I have it on, and then you just, it's kind of hard to see, but you just click this pump. It'll start pumping. Let me grab this. It says it's at 109 degrees. You pop that open, and boom, there you go. There we are. Got the bubble out. Now you can switch between all these modes. Pretty neat. And then just to stop it, you go like this. And here you can like control how much comes out by going down like this and pressing it out. That stops. And that just allows a little bit, you know, you can control the flow a little bit like that. Now this shower has a built-in battery. As you can see, it says 99%. They say it can run about 80 minutes. So, you know, just space out your showers. Don't shower too long. When in doubt, recharge it. That's pretty good for a built-in battery for this, you know, with the pump and stuff like that. That's actually pretty good. So right here is where you can control how hot it gets. So right about, I mean, I guess there it stays at around 86. But if you max it out, it will get up to like 120 or something. They do have this built-in safety feature, tipping. Like if you tip it, it'll stop. And it won't go past, I believe, like 120 something. So it won't burn you. So that's nice to have. You do have a button right here to switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You see we're in America. So we're going to keep it out in Fahrenheit. And this heats up water really, really fast. It heats it up to about 104 in 10 seconds. Pretty impressive. It heats as the water pumps in. So when you stop, it stops obviously running the heater so the water's not boiling. And then once you turn on the faucet again, it starts pumping again. It starts heating again. One thing that I really liked about this shower is we were just at Expo and Julka, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, they sponsored the showers. I really liked the showers. They were cool. The one negative I had is as you used the shower, the water got colder. With this one, it stays around the same temp the whole time you use it. And for me, that's kind of important with showers. I want it to be warm the whole time, especially, you know, if it's cold outside and you're camping. So that's one thing I liked. Now we've done all the testing. I've shown you, there's not too much about this. I've shown you all the stuff, kit and caboodle with it. What's a better way to test it than actually taking a shower with it? Let's get my privacy awning out and load this up and see how an actual shower works. Wish me luck.
Wait, stand on your tiptoes.
Just got done with the shower. It was great. It stayed the same temp the entire time. I was taking like a 5, 6, 7 minute shower. So that is a plus. One thing I have not seen a lot of showers do is be able to keep the same temp. So I really like that. Now, if you're looking to pick up one of these on your own, I will have a link down below. I believe they're running a sale right now and you can pick one up. It won't be a commission link, so if you want to buy it somewhere else, that's fine. They just sent this out, they didn't pay me. So far, I really enjoy it. I guess if I run into any issues like down the road, I'll post about it, so just stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers because that's like a goal in YouTube to hit at least 1,000. It looks a lot better than like 800. So if you can, please just subscribe. And then I also have my links down below for Instagram where I post just more short form stuff of the stuff I do. We camp, we do product reviews, we do all the thing. So subscribe and follow me. You guys have a good one.